Sorry, your lower back is too tight because of one of two things. It's either because your hamstrings are too tight or your glutissimus, cardassianus, maximus are too tight. So I'm going to show you two different stretches, okay? So in the beginning when we did silly stretching, which by the way, you can go into my Yogarati YouTube TV channel on YouTube or something else and do silly stretching with the kids, and you can do the stretching with them to stretch out your hamstrings. So we warmed up our hamstrings just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stretch them even further. So take your foot like this. You can do this sitting down on the ground for circle time. You can do this standing, okay? Hi, Mr. B. So what I want you to do, for 1 to 2 seconds tops, just breathe in and breathe out and just reach down and try to have your hand see where you can touch your foot, how flexible you are. So some of you are going to go like this. Some of you may get further. Doesn't make a difference. Ready? 2 seconds. Ready, set, go. Stretch. See how far you can get. Now your brain knows how far you can stretch. You're all set. Next thing we're going to do, dig the heel into the ground as hard as you can. Push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So when you push the heel into the ground, your knee's going to bend. You're going to feel your hamstring contract. This is called a isometric stretch, which isometric movement. Iso means same, metric means length. So same thing again. The muscle's not going to move any certain length, but it's going to get worked. Dig the heel into the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now lean down and see if you can't get any further. Be uncomfortable and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit back up. How many of you were able to stretch further? Right? Why is that? Because what happens is proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, PNF. It won't be on the quiz. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation has it that when you strengthen a muscle, when you tighten it, when you contract it, once you let it go, you have a 3 to 5 second window for you to stretch it even further. So that's how you allow yourself to get that flexibility. So you don't even have to be stretching for a long time, just stretching smarter. Take your other foot, put it over here, reach down for 1 to 2 seconds, see how far you can get. This is my tighter side, so I can usually only get there. Awesome, we're good. Breathe in, breathe out, dig your heel into the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. One more time. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out, reach down, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit back up. Awesome. Now, just stand up real quick. I know I'm going to disappear, but check in with your legs, check in with your lower back, and if you like the way that this feels, awesome. Consider doing it again. Okay.